Good afternoon, candidates. Today we'll be seeing 10 problems for reasoning prelims. SBI clerks as well as IBPS RRB assistant reasoning. Directions 1 to 5. Study the information carefully and answer the questions given below. 7 persons sit in a linear row. Some of them face north and some of them face south. A sits second to the right of E. C sits third to the right of A. G sits third to the left of M. Two persons sit between A and D, who is not an immediate neighbor of E. Here you have to understand this carefully. D, who is not an immediate neighbor of E. M is not immediate neighbor of D. Immediate neighbor of M face opposite direction to each other. If one neighbor faces north, then the other will face south, vice versa. M is sitting in this place. Then one person here, another person here. If this fellow faces north, that fellow will face south. G and P sit immediate right to each other. This is a important signal. G and P sit means each one is sitting in the opposite direction, looking at the opposite direction. D is facing same direction as M, who is facing north. Now only we are getting some information. This is the only first information is given. M is facing north. E sits to the immediate left of C. So please try to draw the picture and say you have to put 7 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some of them will face north, that means upside. Some of them will face south, that means downside. And you have to put the diagram. Here, please read it once again, try to answer it. After you are plotting the picture, we will go for the answers. Now, I will give you, I see when you watch the video, you can halt at this place, work out the problem, and then go for answering the questions. Yeah. Now, you stop the video, work out, put the table, put the figure, then now you can answer the questions. How many persons face south direction? How many persons face south direction? That is one question. Second question, 1, 4, 3, 5, none of these. Number 2 questions, how many persons sit between P and C? Who among the person sits second to the right of P? Choice A, M, B, D, C, P, D, G, E, none of these. Who among the following persons lives immediately right of M? Four of the following 5 are alike in a certain way based form a group. Find the one who does not belong to that group. that is P, D, A, G, M. So these are the 5 questions. Hope you have answered. You would like to see the questions again? How many persons face south? How many persons sit between P and C? How many persons sits again to the right of P? Who among the following person lives immediately right of M? What does the 5 are alike in certain way? To form a group, find the one that does not belong to the group. Hope you have worked out the answer. Good. Stop the video, work out. Now, after having worked out these 5, let us go to the answers. Yeah, let us go to the answers. This is the answer. This is the answer. Number 1 is E. Number 1 is E. Number 2 is A. Number 3 is Bombay. Number 4, answer B. Number 5, answer E. This is how it will come. D is facing north, first left. G north, P south, A north, M north, E south, C is facing what? North. Now, some of the points which can help you draw this picture, what helped me to draw the picture, let me tell you. This figure was very helpful for me. This point was very helpful for me. M is facing north and D is facing north. This information is useful. E sits to the immediate left of C. This was also very useful. Then A sits second. You can put it, A sits second to the right of E. G sits third. G sits third to the left of M. G sits third to the left of M. That means you can try it out by putting it 4th position or 5th position from left. And let us see what is the position in which M is sitting here. M is sitting here in 5th position. If you put in 4th position, we are not able to get. Only when you put it in, I tried both. Then only I got this one. So this way, if you do it, finally what happens, E and C are facing somewhere they are giving. One is sitting to the left of the other person. That is what is the question they have given E. E sits to the immediate left of C. E sits to the immediate left of C. So that way this person is sitting in the towards north and this fellow towards south. This is what this one I could get it, this one I could get it easily. Then this also I could find out. Then this D cannot sit here like that, and he cannot be related to this. So that is how this picture comes. This is the answer. This is not a very tough one. Maybe sometimes we have to get 2 pictures, then only it will come out correctly. Yeah, thank you. Now we will go for 6 to 10. The question 6 to 10 goes like this: coding, decoding. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. In a certain code language, security watch against about is written as CLSANK Joe. Strike series inbox price is written as HA-FA-RS DAW. About price watch strike is written as SARSCLDA. And security about inbox strike is written as CLFAJODA. So halt the video at this stage. आप इसको halt कर दीजिए. अभी halt करके आप एक कोडिंग फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए. कोडिंग विथ 2 सेंटेंस ले लीजिए जिसमें कॉमन वर्ड क्या है उसको देख के आप आंसर दे सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल से सिक्योरिटी आपको फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में होता है और सेकेंड थर्ड सेंटेंस में होता है और लास्ट सेंटेंस में भी होता है. इट्स देयर इन लास्ट सेंटेंस ऑल्सो. So what is the code that is common in only these three lines? Likewise, you have to find out. Please work out that. Hold the video. Please work it out. Once you have drawn the picture, now you can answer these questions. Please answer these questions. What is the code for price? Please find out what is the code for strike price. What is the code for watch security? Say nowadays in the main exams you get much tougher questions than this. This is preliminary level only. So have you worked it out? Very good. Yeah. Have you worked this out? Yeah, let me try to find out whether I have the picture here. I drew a picture for that. Yeah, this is that one. Oh, I am not getting it. Somewhere it is there. It is somewhere here only. Or yeah, I have put that picture here. I'm not getting it. Actually, the picture will come out. I have drawn photo. Please see the photo. It will come out like this. You you draw this. You see how the pictures are all coding. I have used one circle, two circles, one triangle, two triangle, one square, two squares, like that I have used. Please see the pictures. For example, security, and I have correlated with Joe. Then about CL. About CL. Two lines, inbox means far. About means CL. Security Joe. Strike means dog. About CL. Price two circles RS. Watch one square saw. Strike dog. Like that it will come. Now let us see the answer. Answer is ready. You would have put the answers. it will come out like this. Number 6 is B, 7 A, 8 C, 9 C, 10 D. Are you getting the answers like this? Against only one word will be left, that is equated to NK likewise. Similarly, series, only one word will be left, that is left to one that is not given, that is not linked to anything else, that is ha. This is how it will come. Could you get the answers? Once again, check the answers. B, A, C, C, D. So thank you so much. I'm sure many of you would have scored 10 out of 10, and I wish you best of luck. Thank you.